Game 29. Gross and microscopy explained. There are a couple of pictures on the screen, both of which are important specimens for you people. Gangrene and atrophy testis. These can be asked as viva questions or they can be kept as specimens or a short note and so on. The story will go on. First, let us deal with the gangrene testis. I would like you people to observe the blackish discoloration. The first salient point is the blackish discoloration. And there is a shiny capsule. You can see the reflection of the lights. This is because it is stretched due to edema. There is a viable cord. Viable means live. And whenever the surgeon does a surgery, he will cut it at this point so that the gangrene is removed and the patient has got a normal, viable tissue in his body. The common cause for gangrene testis will be the torsion. Whenever the testis twists on itself using the cord as an axis, there will be a stoppage of the venous outflow, stagnation, and deoxygenation. The hemoglobin gets degenerated and that produces a black color. Also, the hydrogen sulfide produces foul smell. Straight from the net, I am seeing a testis. This is a mounted specimen of the testis, identified by the ovoid shape. More than that, I am able to see an attached epididymis. The testis measures dash into dash centimeters. The external surface is blackish gray in color, and the capsule is stretched and shiny due to venous stasis. This is the cut surface of the specimen, which is again showing a blackish discoloration or a blackish gray discoloration. It is solid throughout. In fact, I can find some amount of blood that is oozing in this region. The epididymis is also thickened. The spermatic cord and the ductus deferens are thickened and edematous, and both show blackish discoloration. The capsule here is thinned out because there is a marked amount of edema that is exerting pressure. But it is intact. There is no rupture of the capsule. So, your diagnosis will be gangrene testis due to torsion. This is another specimen also kept for the students, and all of us know that atrophy is a very commonly asked university question. I would like you to compare these two specimens. One is normal and the other is obviously abnormal and small. These are mounted. I put it in brackets. Though I have retrieved it from the net, you will be given mounted specimens. So you should describe it thus. These are mounted specimens of the testis identified by means of the epididymis. Otherwise, it can be a lymph node or anything. So this is important for us. The smaller one measures dash into dash centimeters. It is ovoid in outline. Ovoid means three-dimensional. Oval means two-dimensional. And it is covered by an intact tunica albuginea. It is whitish gray in color, indicating that it is viable. It is live. The cut surface, it can be a pinkish yellow or a pinkish brown color. So this is a normal testis I am seeing. This is the epididymis and the cord finally. But in this one I am finding there is a marked reduction in the size. It is a specimen of an atrophy. It is solid, homogeneous. There are no areas of hemorrhage or necrosis. It is reduced in size and in weight. So what is atrophy? Reduction in the size of a tissue or an organ as well as its weight. This histology is only for completion. It is not for you people to draw or write. So in this I am finding a normal testis And these are the seminiferous tubules showing the various stages of maturation of the spermatozoa. In this one, whereas there is a thick hyalinized cord, or rather the tubule, and there is a homogenization of the Sartoli cells. I am not able to see the germinal epithelium in this. So it is a case of atrophy of the testis. Commonly it can be seen in various conditions. Even in Klinefelter syndrome, we shall be seeing this maturation arrest. I would like you to compare these two because commonly the students make a mistake. They write one for the other. It is too obvious for us to make a mistake. Black color means gangrene, and testis is identified by means of the epididymis. Reduction in the size and the weight and the dimensions. So this indicates an atrophy. See you in game 30.